GBMP proudly presents the Z Corporation Plant Tour video. It's an inspiring benchmarking event in a box. GBMP invites you and your staff to come along on a virtual tour of Z Corporation, the company that successfully implemented Lean to increase factory output by 300%, boost employee productivity by 45%, and increase inventory turns by more than 50%, all while maintaining a near total on-time delivery rate, and without increasing resources, staff, or manufacturing space. Z Corporation assembles 3D printers for converting CAD or other 3D files directly to physical, full-color models. You'll see how they started with an old batch processing approach. You'll learn exactly why that's inefficient and how it hurts your sales force, your manufacturing employees, your customers, and ultimately your company. Next, you'll learn from their path to single-pieced flow. It works like this. A customer picks up the phone and orders a 3D printer. The sales department creates an order and shipping ships it out. When this happens, it leaves a gap in the shipping queue for that particular model, an actual visible gap marked off by an empty tape box on the floor. This gap is the signal for production to finish another printer and move it into that gap. That creates a gap further down the line, which is a signal to the operation before it to fill that gap. And so on, all the way back to purchasing. You'll see their specific point-of-use ideas and how they help the company. You'll also see several smart visual controls the employees came up with themselves, as well as ideas for quality at the source and 5S implementation. Best of all, you'll learn these things straight from the mouths of the passionate people doing the actual work and coming up with and implementing these ideas.
This is the starter kit that goes with the machine. Before, we used to put everything on this box and ship it, and the customer didn't know what they got, and oftentimes we made mistakes that we didn't know we made the mistakes. And what we did, we had this new setup. It's everything, every spot in the box. And also, on top of the box, you have a list of parts that is supposed to be in here.
The shipping guys, they place a sign when they need some voice stock, some more product. So we got a visual here that they need this product. So then we go and make this first. And when we start making, we just flip this card. And they will know that we are in the process of the work. They don't have to go ask us what time we're going to be doing this.
The guys put together a chart telling which powder could be used with in which printer and which binders are associated to it, so that anybody, including myself, that comes in here to print parts would know immediately what could be used and what couldn't be. And there's also an identification on the front of the printers which tells you what is in that printer at that time.
Plus, you'll learn how they got that deep level of buy-in from all their employees. Any employee at any level of your business can watch this video and pick up great ideas for 5S, visual controls, point of use, pull systems, quality at the source, and more. But better still, it's a buy-in creating video, because it shows your employees what's in it for them, what's in it for their managers and supervisors, what's in it for the customer, the company, from the mouths of impassioned employees who share their same concerns. Come along on this energizing video journey, because it's one thing to learn from a book or video that tells you the right thing to do, but it's far better to catch the excitement and ideas from someone just like you, but someone who stands a rung or two higher on the ladder of continuous improvement success.